Samsung, being one of the top camera hardware manufacturers, are on their way to do just that. Apart from the main 200-megapixel sensor, and Samsung is bringing an upgrade to their zoom camera setups that can make a huge difference when it comes to handheld zoom photos and videos, especially at 10 by 30x, even at 100x level, and improve the night mode performance. According to the Galaxy Club, Samsung could be working on a brand new censorship stabilization for their telephoto sensors, meaning even smoother video and photo performance. We've heard that the S23 Ultra may be slightly longer and wider than the S22 Ultra, only by hundreds of millimeters. Also, Ice Universe has claimed that there will be new display for the S23 Ultra, while it'll be hard to improve in the super bright 6.8-inch QHD AMOLED panel, and its fully variable LTPO 120Hz refresh rate. Perhaps Samsung has an even brighter or more efficient. From all appearances, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have some slightly more square edges. The Galaxy S22 Ultra, it looks like Samsung might keep the tried and true Galaxy Note-like design. Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with the less curved display, more boxy design, and it will be slightly thicker, around 0.1 mm. If we compare the measurements, Galaxy S23 Ultra will measure 163.4 into 78.1 into 8.8 mm compared to 163.3 into 77.9 into 8.9 mm for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The ones who are interested in Galaxy S23 or S23 Plus, then new renders of the Galaxy S23 and the S23 Plus is also out, and we will see a quite similar design to what we have seen on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The split camera island look on the back, which looks better than the last generation Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus. We might see the Galaxy S23 Ultra in January, which is a month earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung were going to increase the battery on the Galaxy S23 Ultra around 5%, and you will also see a 5% battery increase in Galaxy S23. Not a big update, but with new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 power efficiency and low power mode, and S23 Ultra will get a better battery backup than the S22 Ultra. Samsung is one of the few smartphone manufacturers to offer a periscope-style telephoto camera with optical zoom on its premium phones. The company seemingly wants to double down on and capitalize on its strengths. Nevertheless, assuming that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have sensor shift stabilization technology for the telephoto sensor. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. Peace out.